Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about a facial kit by Pond's. This is their charcoal anti-pollution facial kit, which retails for just 300 rupees. And I know a lot of us are very concerned about stepping out because of COVID and we don't want to go to the salon, but we still want to maintain the look of our skin. So if you're someone who doesn't like to step out, then this product is for you. So when you open the box, you're going to find these products. So basically there are 6 steps. So the first one is the face wash. I'm going to talk in depth about all of that just a bit. So the first is face wash, then is the scrub, then is the nourishing cream, then fourth is a massage cream, the fifth is a peel off mask, and the sixth is a finishing cream. So it's a 6-step facial routine. Now obviously if you want better results, you have to keep using it continuously. So I'm going to be talking to you guys about each step in detail. So without any further ado, let's get started. Also, by the way, I'm not wearing any makeup on. This is just how my skin looks. So the first thing I'm going to do is tie my hair because I don't want my hair coming in the way of this entire thing. So pehle balon ko bandho. So the first step is to clean our face. I'm using the Pond's anti-pollution face wash. This has activated carbons, so it helps remove impurities from your face. So I'm just going to lather it and wash my face. Step 2 is to use a scrub, and I'm using the Pond's Pollution Off Scrub. This is enriched with walnut shell powder, so basically it helps exfoliate all the dead skin cells and also removes excess oil from your face. So I'm just going to apply it and massage it gently, and I'm using a very light hand for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then I am going to wash it off. Step 3 is to use Pond's Revitalizing Cream. So this is filled with all good stuff. That's vitamin B, E and vitamin E. And this helps hydrate your skin. So I'm just going to massage this cream gently with my fingertips till it gets absorbed into my skin. Step 4 is to use Pond's Deep Massage Cream. This has glycerine and oat extract, so it moisturizes your skin and gives you a very healthy glow. So I'm just going to massage this cream on my face in a light circular motion for about 10 to 15 minutes. So now that I'm done, I'm going to wipe it off with a moist cotton. Step 5 is to use Pond's Charcoal Peel Off Mask. This is enriched with bamboo charcoal, so it helps remove all your blackheads and it also helps to brighten your skin. So I'm going to apply this in a very thin layer and I'm going to keep it for about 10 to 15 minutes. The last and the final step is to use Pond's Pollution Protect Cream. This helps protect from pollution and also restores your glow. So I'm going to just take the cream and apply it all over my face till my skin absorbs it. So that's it for today's video. To sum it up, you get a salon-like facial at home and it's not too heavy on your pocket as well. So I think you guys should definitely give it a shot. You can see how my skin looks. My skin feels super soft and I'm feeling very refreshed after using the facial kit. So I think you guys should definitely try it. Let me know in the comment section if you've already tried it, by the way, and how it's working for you. Leave it down. There's one more facial kit by Pond's. This is their vitamin brightening facial kit. So there are two options. You can actually read about it and see what your skin really needs and choose which facial kit you want to go ahead with. Like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm gonna see you guys very soon in my next one. Bye!